Alright, we're going to do a waterproofing soldering by using the Bonic pin on the lights. We're hardwiring the lights in, these up here, into the receiver box. And I put the receiver box in the Traxxas waterproof box because I am getting a right bit of water up in here. So we're going to go ahead and do a quick solder slash waterproofing all at the same time. So I mean, I wouldn't necessarily recommend doing this on wires that would get hot. These are just a bunch of LED lights. So you take it, I don't get any on my backside, heat it up, or it's not really heating it up, it's just using an ultraviolet light on it, and the ultraviolet light hardens it up. And I usually like to put 2 coats on there. Nice and hard. I'm going to go ahead and do the negative real quick. I'm going to take the negative back a little bit more. Okay. I don't know how well that's coming up on camera, but now there used to be an on-off switch on these wires, but I already replaced the on-off switch one time because when the water got down in here, it messed it up. So I'm going to bypass having an on-off switch. Since we're going to the new ESC here, I'm not really worried about I have an on-off switch for the ESC. So let's check and see if the lights come on. Nice, lights are on. And this is all dried up. I'm not feeling anything. And it coats it enough that it's waterproof now. I don't have to worry about it shorting out at this point. Off camera, when I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and put a second coat on. I'm just anal like that and like to be precautious, especially when it's going in the water. But that is soldering and waterproofing all at the same time by using a Bonic pen. This is Chief signing out. Keep our seeing, my friends.